forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
nothing wrong with that.
They always say, two little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Guys,
yeah.
All right, before we get inside of the property, let's have a look at the prices. So the 2-bedroom townhouse is starting from 360 US dollars. The 3-bedroom duplex is starting from 520,000 US dollars. 2-bedroom duplex, which is what we're going to be having a look at today, starts from 450,000 US dollars, and the 3-bedroom duplex starts from 480,000 US dollars. One of the 3-bedroom duplex does have a basement, okay? The estimated monthly cost, maintenance cost, is 250 US dollars per month, and there you can see what that includes: the private lawns, the common areas, gated sewage, strata management, etc. And a big question is, everybody wants to know, are short-term rentals and Airbnbs allowed? Yes, they are, but they're going to be very strict. Only through an exclusive property concierge service administered by the Homeowners Association, okay? And of course, that's just for safety and designed to make sure that everything goes according to standards and agreement with the homeowners. All right, let's get back into the viewing of this property. So here we are outside. Like I said, this is a 2-bedroom duplex. These are what we call semi-detached. Now in this one, on the corner here, whoever's bought this, the one on the left hand side, they decided to put a pool, but we'll have a look at that as the video goes on. Now this phase 1 is not on the beach side, so can you see there is a little bit of a tunnel? You've got the highway above and then you've got this tunnel underneath. That tunnel will give you access to the beach, okay? So phase 2 and 3 will be on the beach side. So there will be beachfront properties. Phase 1 is across the road. So what they've done is to construct this tunnel under the road tunnel that gives you access to the beach. So you can take a walk under there, a ride under there maybe with a bike, and that will bring you directly to the beach. You get beach access. But phase 2 and 3, you can see work is happening now, will be built directly on the beach front, okay? As I say in all my videos, guys, we are not working in conjunction with any realtor or the development. We just like to show you what's out there. You guys then make an informed decision. Make sure you do your research, please, please, please. If you're interested in buying one of these or for more information, I'm going to leave the information at the end of the video. Here's where I keep my mouth quiet now and allow you to enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah. Yeah.